Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Garb Experiment, part 3 on Stranded Deep. Oh my god, I can't speak! Part 3 on Stranded Deep. Right then, let's get into this. So we've just started a new day. Yeah, 5:36. And the plan was to build a new life raft. How to collect small fish. Oh, nice. Okay, that worked really well, really fast. Let's get this fire going again. No, I didn't want the planks. There we go. Fire. Cool. Sorted. Drop that. Drop that. So we got one fish from that. But still good. Still food.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, I know it's gross. You say every single time. We've still got that meat to cook as well. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to cook it. We need food. So let's get this fire lit. Get this food cooking. So put that around the back there again. We'll cook the medium meat first. Alright, how's the water still doing? Got a bit of water in it. I could do with some water. How's that looking now? Alright, okay, we need some more palm fronds to make it produce some more water for us. So we have sort of a sustainable food source, and we have, again, sort of, it's alright, could be better, sustainable water source. But we've got plenty of palm fronds there. Like I said, I'm not sure if they won't grow back because I cut them right down, but I don't know if these ones, young palm trees, if I leave that there long enough, will it grow into a small palm tree, like so, and then grow into the big palm trees that we had at the start? I'm not 100% sure. Can I take this container apart? Where's my hammer gone? Sorry. There we go. If we whack this container, does it take it apart? Let's try that, because that would be a serious improvement on our base. I don't know how many we'd get and how much we could make from it, but is this doing anything? Or do we have to hit it with like a knife or something? Okay, yeah. What? Okay. So that's how we get it then. So we hit it with a knife. And then we get a container panel. Can we make anything out of the container panel though? Have we got that yet? So I think it's going to be level 4, which is our next level up. But we will leave that for now then. Hope that should stay there, that'll be alright. Let's drag it a bit more on the shore. We'll leave that there. Next task was to build a better raft. Because, like I said, this thing's alright. It's just really slow and really hard to maneuver. And I lost my axe in the process of leaving it here for some reason. Like, completely lost my axe. No, I didn't! Yeah! Yeah! There we go. So that's one less thing to rebuild again. Right. So, what do we need to make a decent raft? How's that doing? Oh, we still need food. Oh yeah, is that cooked yet? Medium meat. Okay, I guess it takes longer to cook, which is fine. Hard to add fibre is nice. Let's Fill this up and drop it back down here. Cool. Right then. I want to make a raft. Building vehicles. Tires. Oh, I need level 4, I think that's for the barrel one. I haven't found any buoys. It takes 14 to make a wooden raft base. So I kind of need to get a higher craftsman level. Right. Because there was barrels on one of those boats somewhere. Is it this one? No. Okay. There's one of the boats around here somewhere. There was barrels. Also, I could do with a bird snare as well, because I can make one of those now. Farming, could make a hoe and then get some farming, but I don't have anything to put into the farm at the moment, so kind of pointless. Yeah, bird snare, 2 sticks, 3 lashings, 1 rock. Has the yucca grown back yet? No, not that one. Oh, this one has though. And do I have any lashings at all? I've got some fibrous leaves. So let's grab some more. Let's see if we can make a bird snare maybe. Cool. It's so handy having those. Get so many from them. Cool. Let's grab this one. Okay, that's... I got 4 lashings now, so what do I need? I need 3, 1 rock and 2 sticks. Rock. Where could we find a rock from? I know I had the stone deposits, but I'll probably just pick up the rocks around first. Not that I've got any, I don't think. Okay, I think I need to... will the hammer do that, or do I need like something else? Hammer, spear, refined axe, crude hoe, refined spear, refined pick. Is that what I need? Will that work better at breaking these rocks up? Yeah, I think it is. That's a bit of a shame. Oh, did that grow back already? Or did I just miss it completely? Right. So we haven't got enough lash. Oh no, we've got enough lashing, sorry. Sticks. Got 1 palm tree left. Let's chop it down. Grab the sticks from it. Hopefully there's 2 trunks to that, so that's 8 sticks. Whoa! That was weird. Right. Let's drag this over here. Out into the open. Hey! Come on. Whoa. There we go. Oh no, it's only got 1 trunk. Cool. Right then, let's chop this up. When it came... Oh, there is a stick there. Oh. Bird's net. Oh, 2 sticks anyway, and 2 rocks. So I need some more sticks anyway. Right then, got enough sticks, got enough lashings. Oh, just 1 rock. There's got to be 1 rock around here somewhere. My inventory's full already. Oh yeah, I got the palm bunch and some more fibrous leaves. So I think I'm going to need that refined pick. Which is a bit frustrating. But then we could just get... Oh no! We got one. Nice. Ah! Handy solar powered light. Okay, let's go put that away. Oh, there's another rock there. And now there's another rock over there. So those sort of things must slowly come back, I guess, over time. Let's drop that there. Handy to have. Cool. Can put a hook on it, or make a hook, sorry, and then hook it on something. Where did I see that rock? Over here. Yeah. Bird snare. Does it matter where I put it? Here? Is that it? Do I have to do anything else? I guess just leave it. That's it. I guess it's a bit like this one. So this is going to collect small fish by the looks of things, because it's in the sort of shallows, which is fine. That's all we really need at the moment. How's my meat cooked yet? Yeah. Right, let's put that other meat on. Get that cooking because we need food. Cool. Nice. So SPF is not looking great. What happens if we go in here? Does it get better? Yeah, it does. So we need shade really, which makes it better. Day survived 5, items crafted 55 already. Animals killed 8, islands explored 2, and 3 ships scavenged. Okay. Right. So we should be catching birds soon now, catching fish as well. But we need... Oh, there's a bird just landed over there. I want to make a raft. So, I haven't got enough planks. And I don't know where any more buoys are. And I haven't seen any, well, I haven't seen any buoys, sorry, or any tyres for that matter. Right, have this. Small meat's cooking. Full drink of water. And that's the meat done. That's our water fine, so we need more meat really. It's going to take a lot to... Oh. It's going to take a lot to fill us up, which is a bit of a pain, but never mind. Oh, that's about to break anyway now as well. Great. Right. Right, let's leave the spear behind as well. Let's take my water. I think we need to maybe try and search in this ship over here. And see if there is anything without getting killed by a shark. See if there's anything of use. So I want to kill those big fish. Oh wow. That's a really old boat. Alright, watch out for anything. I need some more air quickly. Let's get some more air quickly. let's head down, because that's a shark. That was the shadow of a shark. We got to be quick in here, because I don't have the greatest amount of oxygen. Oh, it won't let me through. Okay, up, 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 up. Okay, down. I think there's a hole in the side down here. Yeah, here. Oh, okay, no, there's nothing down here. I've got to be really careful though. Because A, there's a shark after me, and B, I haven't got a lot of oxygen. Oh no. Oh, get out, get out. Oh no. Up, up, up. Ah, shark. Okay, get back to shore. I think that was a bust. Oh, I can't look whilst I'm swimming. That was one mean shark. He was not happy with me. Oh, okay, we're alright. We only just lost 2 squares. Right, so that was nothing. We've headed over to that island. Maybe that one next? Nothing on our bird snare yet. Bit of a shame. Okay. So, oh, we didn't have more food. It's a good idea to try fill up my food and water before we head out. Just grab one bunch. Get this filling up again. Once we're out, might as well. Let's check the fish trap a second. Caught a small fish. Maybe worth. No, I'll leave it there because we're going to get loads of small fish. Clownfish. There you go. Skin. Oh, I'm sorry, little clownfish. I had no choice. Me or you. And unfortunately, you lost. Have we got any more supplies in this raft? We've got one more ration. Let's take the duct tape out. Have we got any room in here? We have. Do we use this ration? I kind of don't want to though, because it's an emergency. We could, I think, break. Yeah, we'll put this back. I want to save that ration for last resort, really. Empty coconut drink. There we go. Coconut food. Give us a bit. Right then. Let's drag our raft over to where we need to go. Okay, this is the problem, is I don't really trust the anchor. I don't want to just leave it in the sea and trust that it's going to stay there, because it did weird thing last episode. So, throwing itself up in the air. And I almost lost my axe in the process. But let's drag it over here. We'll head over there and see if there's any more. See if there's any more wrecks that we can explore. Because there was only one over there, which wasn't great. Right. Oh, my meat's done now as well. Right then. is that one, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Let's head over here. Now we're going to need more sticks because we're going to have to make a new axe, I think. Try and make a more refined one. So we've got a sharpened one, I think it was. So let's see if we can get some more supplies and make a refined one. And we have made it to the island, so we've got what looks like a boat already there in the shallows. Sort of. So it's getting a little bit further. I'm going to try the anchor out, see what it does. Right. Stop operating. Oh, so I can operate from there. Oh. Too shallow to deploy sea anchor. Okay. Okay, that wouldn't make sense because I can stand up, but let's drag it onto shore a little bit then. Right then. Yeah, let's head straight back out here. Let's get my knife ready just in case we encounter, because I did see one shark already. Whoa! Like that. Anything? I can't see. Probably should have brought a torch. On those planks. Still throw open the door, I think. Is that it? Just the console and the cupboard. Really not got anything else? Oh yes, boys! Right, I want those boys. Oh! They float! They float really well. I want all of them, come back. Alright, I think that's it for that one, which is good. Got ourselves a raft base now. Thing is, do they stack? Yeah, they do in fours, which is good. Okay. Right, let's have a look. Oh yeah, another one over there. But be careful of snakes. Oh. Corrugated. Iron. Metal. Oh, corrugated scrap. Oh wow! It's like a proper big ship, that one. Oh, it's got a few containers on it as well. Yeah, I should have brought a torch. Is there anything ever in these containers? Do I bring my raft round? Because I see more buoys. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my raft a second. Paddle me raft round here. Although we can't actually know. Because my raft is kind of my indication to which way back is our island. Because I just travelled straight. Yeah, so our island is over there. Isn't it, I think? Yeah, that's our island over there, so yeah, I'm going to leave that there actually, because it's my indication of which way. I know I've got a compass, but I left the compass back, I think. I can't remember. But it's my indication to which way back is our island, so I'll leave it for now. We'll just have to transfer some stuff into it if we get full. If I fill me pockets up with stuff. What time is it? Oh, I can't. I forget I can't look at my clock whilst I'm on my watch. Sorry, whilst I'm swimming. Damaged door. Okay, can't break the damaged door. Container. Oh, baked beans! And there we go. And it's got a hammer in it. Oh. Full up already. Right, there's definitely a place to come back then. Get out this water a second. Is there anything of use up here? Apart from more boy balls. I want like a wooden chest to put stuff in, and then I can just carry the wooden chest. Oh, some more lockers in there. Oh, a locker. Oh, a torch though. Okay, so this is definitely a place to come back maybe when we get a better raft. Because I can see this, well, we've got plenty of stuff here to gather. Let's break open this one, because then we can carry more of these. Because that's 4 stacks then. Right, how many does it take to make a raft? Wrong way. Hammer is required. Oh, so I can't even look properly. Is that 5 or 6? That's 6 to make 2. Do I drop that? Because it's about to break anyway. I'll drop that and stick maybe. And then we can bring more of these. I mean, we've got to come back here anyway, but I want to build a better raft, sorry. 4, 8, 12. Should be plenty of them. I don't think there's any more on here anyway. Okay, no, there is more. But they're going to float if I break those. Right. Let's head back to the raft, head back to our base, and see if we can make a better raft. And then maybe we can put a box on it if it's a bit more stable than the dinghy raft. And then we can come back and gather much more supplies then, because we have to carry a lot more. Need to make a pick as well, because then we can get more rocks to make more better tools. Because you need like several stone tools, I think it is, to make. Yeah, you need the stone tools to make anything, I think. And then to make a refined pick, you need 2 stone tools, 2 leather, and 1 stick. So, oh, what's that? Is that a box? Right then. Never mind. We will head back and see if we can start constructing a better raft. Because this one isn't great. And I'm going to have to drop something now, aren't I? Can I put something in here? I don't have a compass. There we go. Right then. I knew it wouldn't work, would it? Can I operate this side now? Actually, one side you can operate. Yeah, so we're heading straight back over there. Right then, let's go. Or not. Come on, raft. Now we're moving. And we are back home. I think we have caught ourselves a bird as well. Yeah, I think we have. Cool. Bird meat. Right then, let's get this ashore. It does weird things, this raft. Perfect. I got some. Right. I need my hammer. Right then. Oh, I need some lashings. Do I have any? Oh, yeah, I have one. I can make one part of it. Okay, so it's not huge. So that's the base. I would say 5. Okay. Need more lashings now, though. And my fire's gone back out again. Maybe I should extinguish my fire before heading out, because I'm probably using a lot of wood just burning for no reason. Oh, I got meat there. See that? Let's start this fire again. Cool. It's a very good light source, so that's a problem. Shall I put the rest of the boys in here for now? What did I do with the corrugated metal? Scrap even. And the wood scraps are out here. Planks. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, that one's full. That one's full. That one's full. Okay. Right. Wood scraps. Go there a second. Planks. So I need some more fibrous material, or leaves, sorry. I need one more, and then we can make ourselves another thing. Lashing, and then we can make another bit of the raft. Cool, caught a bird. Nice. So, getting food from 2 options now. Got birds and we have fish. Yes, tree. There we go. Lashing. I can also do fishing as well now because I've got a buoy. Although I need all these buoys now. How many have I got on me? 2. Side by side, or come on, raft, move. Makes it a little bit more stable. Seagull, dead seagull. Okay. Can we... Oh yeah, can we cook? How do we cook? Okay, we don't need to cook, but I need water. Could just eat the beans raw, I suppose. That works. Water's good. Food's definitely really good now. Okay, so we don't need to seagull for a minute. Sun is coming up on another day. So I just need to build the top of it now. So I need the floor. So I need sticks. So I don't get it. You can either make a driftwood raft floor out of sticks. Is it not? Yeah. Or you can make a wood raft floor with sticks. Or I can make a plank floor. Let's make a plank floor for one of them at least. That looks cool. And then we just need more sticks. But we've got no wood or anything here now. I've chopped it all down. Like yuccas back over there as well though. Let's grab some more of those. Can always use lashings. Just don't like where this one's positioned because everything falls down into here. It's a pain trying to find them all. I never know if I've got them all or not. Maybe one more? There we go. I think that's it. I think the only thing the fibrous leaves make is the lashings. Cool. I'm sure I'll find a use for it shortly. Right then, what do we need to make, like, anchor, sticks, lashings, sail, sticks, lashings, cloth, and rudder is cloth as well. So I need a lot of rocks as well. Oh, that's not good. If I collect some normal rocks, yeah, if I collect a load of normal rocks, we can make a pick and then get even more rocks. And then I can make more like axes and stuff if I have sticks. If I can find some sticks somewhere. I suspect I'm going to have to go over to another island and grab some more sticks. We'll go over to that island, I think that's the quickest one to get to. But I need an axe in the first place to be able to do it, so maybe I have to take some sticks with me to make an axe over there. And then we'll just have to get a load of sticks, get a load of lashings as well. No, they're still going back, which is good. Get loads of fibrous leaves. Oh, there's a palm frond there. Why did I leave that one behind? I mean, there's two coconuts over here as well that I left behind. Right, I think that's all the sticks. All the rocks on the island now. Until some more wash up. So, right, let's make 2 stone tools. So I need a stick. So I need 1 lashing, 2 stone tools. Oh, you can make cloth. Oh, I need loom. Refined axes, leather. I have no leather, no. But you need a crude axe as well. So you need a crude version of the axe to make a refined axe. So So I'm gonna have to make a crude axe. So just leave the bird. Put the palm frond. No, didn't mean to do that. Fine for water. I need that to fill up again now, so I can fill my flask up for the journey. Let's leave one lashing behind. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I think I can make a hook. Is it under... What's it under? Not consumables, craftings. Shelter, campfire, furnace, tanning rack, brick station, fuel steel boiler. That's getting on. Yeah, hook. So I guess that must hold a lantern. Could do a sleeping bag, corrugated shelf, corrugated table, tool pouch. Okay. So we have got a little bit of corrugated scrap. But let's go get some wood. We need lots of wood now. So I reckon there's everything in here. Iron's cloth. Leave the compass for now. No. There we go. Right. Come on, raft. Let's go. Go get a load of wood. And try finish off our raft. We've got a bit of cloth now. I think we can make a sail and a rudder. I hope. Hope I've got enough cloth for that. Right then. To the island over there again. I've been to a few times now. But I know it's got a lot of trees I can chop down, so we'll go and get some wood. And we have made it to the island. Let's get up close to shore. Right, store that back on there. It's handy having the clip on it and everything, but right, I need a stick to start with, so then I can make a axe. So let's chop down a small pine tree first. Right then. Crude axe. Craft. Right then. We'll get a load of fibrous leaves as well as wood for everything, basically, we need to build. And we'll try not to get attacked by any snakes, because that would be a bit frustrating. Right then, we have a full inventory of wood. Grab some lashings whilst I could as well, and I can't get any more because I need the crude axe to stay in my inventory. And we have this as well, which is on my tool belt. Yeah, I need the crude axe to stay in my inventory because I gotta have the paddle in my hand. I did see a snake about. Oh, there's corrugated and there's tarp. Never mind. So this is why it'd be good to have the not raft, our raft, and then if we could put chests on it maybe or something, because then we could just have empty chests, and then that's like, if we had 2, that's 6 extra stackable slots, which would be much better, like when we're coming to islands to do gathering. Like, there's so many more trees I can cut down. This is a bit of a shame, but never mind. We've got a full backpack full of wood, so let's head back now. Whoa! Come on. Oh, that's not good. Firstly, that's a storm, so we gotta get back quick. Come on. And again, this is a problem, like, trying to turn this raft round. Right then, let's get back, hopefully, before this storm starts. I do not want to be on the sea if it starts getting stormy and choppy, because we're probably just going to go with the current then if that happens. And we are back home again. So the storm held out, or didn't come to anything, which was good. Although I did have a few times where I think I was being hit by a shark. I'm not sure, like the raft was doing weird stuff, and I don't know, but nonetheless, we are back. Let's get this raft ashore again. And I was thinking about on the way back, we've got some more lashings, so I'm going to add more buoys to the... Whoa! Why is it doing that? Right. Chill out, raft. Yeah, I'm going to add maybe another one here, buoys, and then if I've got another one here, make it a bit more, make it stable, I think. If we can. That is not the best, is it? Yeah, so like another set of buoys here, and then if I've got enough, make another set here. Again, I left my fire on. So already that's 4 gone already. Right, oh, that's a nice stack of sticks there though. I think that is just enough to make one more to the right. I need my hammer. Find hammer. Yeah, so here, if it lets me. Yeah, like that. So 3 wide, and then we're gonna have to make. I think we'll have to make a wood raft base. Oh no, that takes 14. Okay, no. Oh yes, I can make a barrel base now though, which takes 3. Where did I see the barrels? They were on a dry one. Let's go grab those barrels. One of these, it was dry, I'm pretty sure. It was around my island. I hope. Okay, no, it wasn't. It was... Oh, it was over there. So it takes 14 to make. that one. Okay, so I kind of want to... Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Did I lose? Oh, I lost one plank doing that. So you lose half of it. Oh, that's a shame. Yeah, because what I was going to do was... I've got corrugated scrap though. And that one. Yeah. So can I make enough to go all the way across? Corrugated raft floor. Okay, so make it one in the middle. And then yeah, like I said, I want to make another one here, but I need more buoys, which they're over on that island. So maybe we'll just make this best we can for now with sticks. And then we'll add another section of buoy to it, or barrels, whichever we can find, when we can find them. So I'm going to make a wood floor, because I think that looks nicer than a driftwood floor. It uses exact same materials. I don't understand that, but it's like I should have made my base, or my house, sorry, not base, my house a wood one instead, because it takes exact same to make it. It's weird, but it looks nicer. Right then. So 6 rocks. A sail takes 1 cloth and a rudder takes 1 cloth. So we couldn't anchor it yet. We can make a motor now though. So we need duct tape, vehicle engine parts, vehicle filter parts, vehicle fuel part, and vehicle electronic part. Okay, so I've got a little bit of that, but I don't have everything. Cloth. Yeah, see, I got duct tape. So yeah, I got gyrocopter vehicle part and an engine vehicle part. So I can make well, I couldn't make any of it. Sorry. Right. Sail. Yeah, that's where I wanted it. Go back. Maybe move the lantern out of the way a second. Sail. No. Cool. So we've got a sail. Oh. So we've got no way of steering it now. So I need those barrels. Although, do I have enough? I think if I make that base, which I can't because I don't have enough, I wouldn't be able to make a top to it though. Wood floor top. Okay. Right. That's a bit of a pain. But never mind. I'll leave that episode there, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload the next episode. Come back next episode, guys, and we will try finish this raft off and finally actually go somewhere on it. So I think we'll take the other raft back out again to either get some more buoys over there. There was some more over there, or we'll get the barrels. But never mind. That's next episode's problem. Thanks for watching, guys.